Good morning, everyone. Louis Borsellino, Man Over Market, and today is February 11th. Here's the Yes Morning Call. Very slow night overnight. You see, got the profile in front of you. This is 20,064 high. This is unfinished down here, 20,057 even, or 58 even. Very slow news day today, but tomorrow we're loaded with news. We take a look what's up tomorrow. Today we have purchasing applications. We have Richard Fisher speaks. We got EA Petroleum 10-year note Treasury budget at 2. But tomorrow we got weekly bill settlement, jobless claims, retail sales, Bloomberg consumer comfort, business inventories, EI natural gas, and then all the bond auctions. Important news though right now is what's going on because we're worried about Greece, the $300 billion it owes, or I think it's about 240 billion now it owes to their partners, and that meeting that's going over there. So I think that what I'd like to see is some talks break off, and then the market would get spooked, and it would go back down here, and it will fill in and give us a little more base down here. Let's get this stuff filled in, and then going into the numbers tomorrow, we'll have a better base, and we can rally when all those contrived, phony numbers, the jobless claim numbers, I don't know. Retail sales you can't contrive, but the jobless claims and all those things come out, and we'll have this great recovery that the U.S. is on. So I'm not being sarcastic. I'm just telling you that's what I'd love to see. But so overnight action, very little. I'm still got a bullish bias. Okay, I'm sorry, that's bonds. Let me bring up ES. Okay, let's go to a 15-minute chart. It'll be a little better. Just got to make sure I get the value area in there for you. Still hasn't printed up. Got to go back to a 30-minute. All right, here we go. All right. So we got the top of value at 2062. All right, and we got 2054 half is the point of control, and then we have 2047. So I'm obviously 20,047 is the bottom of the value area. I'd love to see the market pull back into this area and get some consolidation at the bottom, and and then I'm still got the bullish bias, and think that the market is gonna rally from this point. I think we're going into earnings seasons. I mean, Apple just came out. They're getting ready. You're going to get some. All the scenarios getting ready for a Fed rate hike, so it won't spook anybody. But I think that the fact is that the scenario is that the market is moving forward. Here is a day profile. So we've come back down and we went up in here. See, I don't like the structure of this. This is a lot of stuff trading above here. I'd like to see the market move back down and retest this 27 area, and then from that point, we can take a we can take a nice healthy rally. But as I'm not the one who controls that. It's all the geniuses who have the drones and the long-term money control where the market and how it moves and how it gets where it's going. So we can only take advantage of the long-term money, when they're getting in and out. But the important thing also is that we broke out. We're above this. This chart that I keep using. I think this is it here. Well, I'll find it. Is this it? No, sorry. There it is. All right. So here's the day chart. We're above this again. All right. We're above the line. And, here we never actually got below it. So we're above it. So, I think the market's going to move back here, but I love to see a move back into here just to confirm this. So If you take a look at the pattern, it's been you know 2 days up, 1 day down, 1 day up. We've had two like insignificant days. We've had a day up. So I think because of the news tomorrow that this is going to be a small trading range. But I've had a lot of egg on my face, or it also could come out of Europe that Greece is causing problems again. So then we'd have a problem, right? All right. Um, Oil, we have a bullish bias um, in the long term right now, but we're just trading below value. Oil um, is sitting below value. Here's a 5017, and basically value and the point of control are the same level. I got the bull bear zone at 5043, top of value of 5217. I think the market has to get, if it gets through these areas, that it will go back and test. It left a lot of, on the move down, and it left a lot of uncharted waters that have to be, as far as volume, has to be redone. All right, right now, as far as bonds are concerned, I got uh, I'm bullish on the bonds today because I kind of believe, long term, I think the rates are going down, are going up, but I think right now with what's going on in Greece and in front of the jobless claims tomorrow that we might get a little rally today, get some short covering, and so I got a bullish bias on the bonds today. Okay, and then gold, same thing with gold. I got a bullish bias today. I think that gold's gonna get some short covering, and then going into all the news tomorrow. Listen, bonds and gold could rally, uh, you know, to new high. I mean, to the highs up here with one little blurb out of that that Germany's not going to accept any deal from Greece. So we got to be, this is more geopolitically sensitive. I think that gold is on the downturn as I think people gain more confidence in all of the world economies and so on. But I'm going to tell you right now, that these world economies, especially European right now, are on a shoestring. So I would like to see some downturn. Right now, I've got all the sisters. So Dow, Russell, Nasdaq are all in a sell on the 5 minute basis. Let me take a look at this here. Let's go to our 5 minute pivot. All right, so our 5 minutes up above us too. So we needed to go above 20, basically 2062. All right, and short-term intermediate trend right now looks like it is down. I mean negative. I mean neutral. See the gray down here? Okay, this is getting to the point right here where it's overbought. And then our long-term indicator, uh, based on overnight action, intermediate trend we call it, is down. That's why this is printed red. Um, and then because overnight we close with uh, a bullish sentiment on the intermediate. So I think the market for me has to. I really would be happy if it retraced. So that's what I'm really looking for. All right, stay on Man Over Market Twitter. Go to our website, Top Step Trader at 8 o'clock. Sign up. It's free, and you get to hear my voice live and interact with some questions. All right, everybody. Talk to you later. Bye.